This experiment is about the effect of a strong magnet on aluminium. Make a wooden stand about 18 inches tall. Place a nail on the top to hang a thread. Stick a strong neodymium magnet to a steel washer attached to a string. Bring the magnet close to an aluminium plate. The magnet doesn't stick, it falls. Now hang the magnet with the washer from the hook. Take the magnet to one side. Now release it. The magnet keeps oscillating freely for a long time. Now take an aluminium plate and place it below the magnet. Once again, release the magnet. This time the magnet stops quickly. The eddy currents produced in the plate applies a brake on the magnet. Now, if you remove the plate, the magnet oscillates freely. When you put one aluminium plate below it, the magnet stops very fast. Now if you put a second aluminium plate below the magnet and release it, the magnet comes to a stop even faster. This is because the air gap is reduced.